Hello crafter, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I'd like to share with you the January collection release for Made to Surprise, designed by the lovely Sam Calcott. I have got all the products here on my desk and I'd like to do an unboxing, if you like, with this collection. I'm going to go ahead then and I'm going to share a 5-card video. I won't have that released straight after this, but if you keep an eye on my channel or you're subscribed, you'll be notified once that video comes out. So without further ado, let's go down to the desk and have a look at this fab collection. So this is the collection. I have everything here ready to go. Now, when you get your collection, it will come in the Made to Surprise packaging. It looks like this. Inside you will have your stamps. They will come on a white sheet. That's what they generally come on, and you'll also get your dies. Now your dies will come in a little plastic bag like this. My recommendation is when you get your products, count your dies, make sure there's the same number of dies in your little jiffy bag and the correct amount of stamps before you do anything. So that's what I do. Then I take a magnetic sheet, I attach that to a 300 GSM piece of white cardstock just to give it strength, because these sheets are kind of thin and I find that the dies would fall off. So that's what I do. So let's have a look at the first thing. Sam does these big words and stamp set. They come with your big word. It comes with a shadow background, as well as some stamps that work with these dies. This, I believe, is the 4th set that Sam has done, and this is the Big Sentiments A5 stamp and die set. There's 22 dies in this set and 46 stamps. So metal-wise, you're getting a lot for your money. The words in this set are smile, Valentine, new, memories, party, couple, friend, baby, and wedding. And you can see here, just with the Valentine one alone, it's literally the length of my hand, and then the shadow goes on with it. So these are lovely big words if you want your word as a focal point on your card, or your scrap layout, or your memory books, whatever you're using them for. The words then that are the stamps are really a lovely size and really go well with the size of the die words. So there's lots of words in this that will go with your big dies. You have my, and what she does is she actually gives you 2 of each. So one of the words is just the outline of the word, and the other one you can have it colored with the word itself as clear. So there's lots in this. I'm not going to read them all out, but if you want to pause the video, you can see all the words that are in there with that. So that is the Big Sentiments set. I like to then pop mine into the packaging like this. That way when I'm doing videos, I'm able to share what the packaging looks like. And then I pop them into these L-shaped pockets. And that's how I store my stamp and die set. I do get asked that on occasion. How do I store these when I get them? That's what I do. And then I put them in baskets. You can see behind me here. I just store them then in baskets and go through them as I need. So that's the first, the Big Sentiments. Now the collection itself is this lot. We have a main mechanism, and then we have 3 sets of stamp and dies that will work with this. Now this is the Swivel See. It's an aperture. So this works as an aperture or an opening, or you can just have it as a focal point on a card. Now, if you have a look down in the description, I will have a list of links for products to Craftworld. So if you're looking for any of these products, I'll also down there have links to Sam's unboxing, and she'll show you some of the cards that she has made, as well as videos that she has out. So check out the description if you want more info. This one comes with 7 dies. Now these are very, very large dies, as you can see here. I've actually had to put them on the both sides of this A4 sheet to contain them all. Now, I know Helen Griffin from Simply Made Crafts, she's done, I think she called it a shutter mechanism. She has one done, and I think the diameter is 4.5 inches, whereas with this one it's 6 3/4, nearly 7 inches. So this is a much bigger aperture or mechanism than that one. I do have the other one, and I debated whether I need this one, but of course I do, because it's bigger and it's made to surprise. So that's all the dies that are in this. We also have these lovely collections that go with it. So this one is Capturing Moments. It's an A5 stamp and die set. Comes with 23 dies and 22 stamps. So let's have a look at those. So this is the stamps. There's lots of lovely sentiments that you can use in this. It has Happy Memories, 3, 2, 1 Smile, Say Cheese, Time, Holiday, Day, Moment, Vacation, Happy Days, Remember This, and loads of lovely images that you can colour in using your alcohol markers, your colouring pencils, maybe your zigs. Really, really lovely. These are all the dies, and these stamps have coordinating dies here, as well as this large die that gives our camera image. And then we have circles, more circle dies that will work with this. And again, there's so much metal in this, I've had to add them onto the back of that. So that is all the fab dies from this one, which was the Capturing Moments stamp and die set. Then we have the Birthday Fun. Again, 20 dies, 17 stamps in this set. We have some lovely images and leaves, etc. here. We also have lots of sentiments that you can use, and you can use these smaller ones with your larger words as a sub-sentiment on your card. So it has It's a Special Celebration, Have the Best Day, Don't Worry, I Won't Mention Your Age. I love that. I love a punny sentiment. It makes me smile. We have You're the Old One Now and A Birthday to Remember. Again, we have lots of dies, and I've managed to get them all onto this A4 sheet. We have these fab frames, which again will work with our mechanism. And then we have lots of dies to die cut out the images that come on the stamp set. And then we have the Love, Love, Love stamp and die set. This is 28 dies and 20 stamps, and you can see all of them there. So again, we have some great images that we can colour in. We have some lovely sentiments. I only have eyes for you. I love you. Just the two of us. Congratulations. Happy Valentine's Day. We also have My True Love, Good Luck, Just Married, Sent with Birthday Kisses. And then we've got the mwah, which is the sound effects. It's the word for the sound effect, mwah. So I love that. I love that little punny thing that Sam is brilliant at that. So we've loads of images here, from a Cupid to our eye, to our big lips, our cake, and a lobster. Now, I didn't know until the live that a lobster was a sign of love. Maybe it's just in the UK. I don't know if it is in the part of the world you're in, but apparently, yeah, a lobster is a sign of love. So do share down in the comments if you would put a lobster with a love sentiment. I'm just keen to know. So we have this big frame again. We also have dies here that will make a card, you know, will make a car, which I think will be fab on a card for a just married, or, you know, I have ideas of putting this car with a couple of fun gnomes. I think that would be very entertaining. But yeah, we get loads of dies that go with our stamp set there as well. So that's that fab stamp and die set in the collection. And then last but not least, we come to the pattern paper. Now, these are called the retro patterns. You can see them there. I'll do a quick flip through. I love the color palette on these. They're nice spring, summer. I do think some of the colors could be used in autumn and even in winter. Yeah, I mean, if you like a kitsch Christmas card, you've got lots to choose from there. So there's 32 sheets in this pack. It's an 8x8 paper pack, so really brilliant whether you're making an A2 card or an 8x8 card. Fantastic for everything in between as well. There's 4 of each designs with 8 designs in total, and the paper is 180 GSM. So it's a nice quality paper to use on your cards or your scrapbook layout or your journaling, whatever you like to do. So that is the January collection from Made to Surprise, and I think you'll agree there is quite a lot in this collection. Now, as I'm not being paid or sent this, I purchased these collections myself, I would like to say that this is an expensive collection, yes, but there's a lot of metal in this for your money. I love Sam's collections. I think they're well thought out and well designed. And I'm going to leave links, like I said earlier, in the description below for, you know, if you're interested in this collection. I'm not sure what's left or whether it's sold out, but I know a lot of the people that watch me enjoy the cards I make using Made to Surprise, and I've been using Made to Surprise on my channel for a long time. I've decided starting January, this collection 2026, I'm going to do an unboxing for Sam's collections to show you what comes in a collection by Made to Surprise. I'm also going to start doing like a 10 cards, 1 kit collection. I'm actually going to flip you back up to me. Here we go. I'm going to start doing a 5 cards, 1 collection using Made to Surprise. And I'm going to kind of focus on the American A2 size. There's a lot of people around the world, specifically those that are into Stampin' Up, that like that card size. So I'm going to make 5 card video using products from a collection each month and share that with you. And then after that video is released, I'll then release 1 or 2 videos a week making the style of cards that I love to make on my channel. Whether they're a 5x7, 6x6, 7x7, 8x8, and even, oh gosh, I think I've literally gone up as far as an A4 size card. So I will do that. And what I like to do with Sam's mechanisms and dies is I like to put my spin on them. So although Sam and her design team member will do cards on YouTube sharing their makes using it, I'll also be doing that too, but I like to put a twist on it. So I kind of put them into a card style that you wouldn't think of. So if you'd like to see those type of videos and you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you've enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow. And you know, there's a new hype button out there. It's down in the description as well. If you click that button, it costs you nothing and it actually pushes the algorithm and my videos out. So I'd really appreciate if you could do those things for me. So I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time with my next video, 5 cards, 1 collection using the Made to Surprise products. I'll see you there. Bye for now.